This is the adorable moment a baby can't contain her excitement at meeting her tiny new puppy for the first time. Sweet 8-month-old Paulina Rose can't believe her eyes as her mom Ashlyn Davis approaches holding Coco, a Yorkshire Terrier puppy, cupped in her hands. Ashlyn, from New Mexico, USA, holds Coco out in front of Paulina Rose, who stares wondrously at the cute pup wide-eyed and open-mouthed before eagerly reaching out to touch her. Paulina Rose lets out a few baby screams while almost hyperventilating with excitement as Coco looks back at her, equally as captivated by her new human sister. Her parents move her from her baby chair to the floor so she can meet Coco properly. She continues to show her excitement, reaching out as far as she can with her mouth wide open in wonder. Her parents tell her to be careful as Paulina Rose swings her arms in excitement at the dog. Experts at the American Kennel Club say that both puppies and children have a strong lust for companionship and a desire for a playmate. This may explain the off-the-charts excitement from Paulina Rose and set up a strong bond for years to come.